like if I just put my finger down for that G chord, that's a chord, it's a C chord, but I could go.
My name is Andrew Mills, and I teach choir, general music, and guitar here at Florence Middle School. My wife knew about this for weeks because our principals are really good at keeping a secret, and my wife was really good at keeping a secret as well. And so I conducted the Star Spangled Banner at the beginning of the program, and then my job was done. I was just enjoying the program, enjoying the speaker. And then at the very end of the program, Dr. Bowling announced Teacher of the Year, and it happened to be me, and I was kind of shocked. I had no clue that I was in the running for that, but it's a great honor to be selected for that.
G here, which is the same thing as D on guitar.
Never in my years of working with Drew Mills has a student asked to leave chorus once they met Drew Mills. So he has a 100% success rate of keeping students and growing their interest in music. And that is fantastic, especially with all the options that we have to offer. The fact that he can embrace all students, regardless their level and talent, and he keeps them and makes them just fantastic musicians.
One horse open sleigh, hey.
A lot of my day is spent making those connections with students and then making those connections to the content afterward. It's kind of a person-first mentality. Education's kind of been a part of my family for a long time, and I think I always knew that's what I wanted to do, but I also had a second love, and that was music. And so when I started band in 6th grade, I kind of knew then, all right, this is what I want to do. I feel like as far as career-wise, I'm exactly where I want to be and where I need to be.